reality of trading Forex, it can be quite hard to come to terms with if you're actually succeeding or if you're actually not succeeding and you're doing bad. Now, 9 times out of 10, you'll be telling yourself that you need to be better, you need to trade better, you need to be smarter, and that's pretty much like every single person trading until you get to the higher elite levels. However, to get to that level, you need to be making mistakes. The problem that everyone faces is that they're always trying to chase for success, chase for the best trader that you can be. You know, that's just how it is. Everyone is trying to always better themselves, and the problem is always trying to better yourself. There's going to come to a peak point, and in that peak point is going to be a place that you have high set standards for yourself that you're going to want to get to all the time. Now, with that high set standards becomes mental aspects, because you're trying to get that peak stage consistently week in, week out. Now, this peak stage could be, and this is the problem, could be 15, 20%, 30% a week you're aiming for, and this could be the biggest downfall of you trading in 2022 or just trading in general. Now, you're setting yourself too high standards. If you was to set yourself something like 2%, 3% a month profit you need to get, much more realistic and still insane. If you was on £1 million account making 3% a month, you would take 30k a month of just making 3%. Every single month you're making 30k. That is the difference between a good trader, who someone is very successful, not seeking insane amounts of profits. They don't care. They know they can trade consistently and smartly, so they're just trying to get the profit that they need to sustain their lifestyle. Now, that is where you advance your progression in trading, you know, your self-development. You keep teaching yourself about this. Now, the problem with trading is that everyone wants to make a lot of money, everyone wants to make insane amounts every day, and that's just unrealistic also. And this is where, when you're a beginner, it's a big negative downfall in your trading, because you're always trying and seeking for the better. It's pretty much like the grass is always greener on the other side, even though it's not. Now, if you have a bad week, then learn to live with having bad weeks. That happens in trading, but it's how you come back from the bad week. Now, it's like climbing a mountain. If you slip down a little bit, hurt your leg, are you going to stop? Are you going to continue to climb and not give up? Remember, like, negative energy that you put around yourself is going to affect your trading, and that even if you are that negative person towards yourself, now that is going to affect you mentally, and it's going to make you have the wrong trading emotions. Basically, like, you're going to be trading in and out, you're going to be revenge trading, all sorts of different stuff's going to be going on, and it's going to have a massive impact on your way to progression and your way to becoming a better trader. Now, this is something that I've done before in my past, which is why I can talk to you all about my experiences that I've actually taken throughout my trading career, and still even learning. You know, there's days where I get down, there's days where I lose, but you learn to live, and you just live with it, and you just accept the fact that you're gonna take losses here and there, and it could take 10 to 20 years to be able to mastermind the markets. But I'm not even trying to mastermind the markets, and that's the difference. I have a limit, I know what I want to make, I know what I need to do to make it, and I'm gonna make it, and that's the difference. I have goals set out of what I want to make, and I know it's a realistic target. That is one of the main things when trading Forex. It has to be realistic. You can't be setting yourself too high standards, too unrealistic goals, and then beating yourself up about it because you haven't achieved those. Small goals, big dreams. It's been your boy TJ. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed and watched all this way through, because you are definitely a top trader. But yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Much love. Peace.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get